If you've ever thought about making a major change in your life, such as exercising, quitting smoking, or maybe switching jobs, you know that can be overwhelming. Well, there's a new book out that could help you. The First 30 Days examines the 9 principles of change, specifically why some people are good at change and others will avoid it at all costs. Author Ariane de Voisin joins us from New York. Good morning.
Good morning, Beverly.
You have such an incredible story, and I want to back up for the folks that are watching now. You, at the age of 28, you were a top executive with Time Warner, managing a $500 million file. Is that right?
That is correct, actually. I was at Time Warner in a corporate job. I was investing in internet investments, and I really chose to make a big change with my life. I wasn't very happy. I was at the top of a very high ladder that I think was leaning up against the wrong wall.
Well, and most people wouldn't even think or even dream about walking away from that kind of a life, but you did.
I did. You know, something was tugging at my heart, something that was more my calling, something that I felt I needed to make a difference and really just contribute and use that sort of mission in my life.
So you'd intended, I think, to take, what, 2 months off, but it ended up being 2 years.
Actually, it was 2.5 years. I spent about a year traveling and went to Italy and climbed Kilimanjaro and learned to windsurf and spent time with parents. And then I also started observing that everyone I was meeting was either going through a change that they were struggling with, maybe it was a divorce or a health diagnosis, or they really secretly wanted to make a change. They wanted to change careers or move. And then other people were just helping someone else through a change. And I thought, isn't it interesting that change is like the #1 guaranteed thing in life? And we all find it hard. We feel alone when we're going through change. And there really isn't a book or a company that's sort of a safe place to go to talk about making and facing these changes.
And now there is, and it's called The First 30 Days. Tell me why 30 days.
So 30 days is actually more of a metaphor. So it's the first 30 days, it's the way to start off in the right way, with the right tools, the right experts, the right community, the right hope and optimism sort of around you, guiding you. It's 9 principles that I've found from interviewing about 1,000 people that people who are good at change follow. So it's not a 30-day action plan. We're not going to tell you what to do or think in day 17 or day 23. It's more of how can we get you started in the right way so that you actually stay started and you get through it.
Yeah, well, and one of the things that you learned is that what we all kind of say, I guess, privately, is that most people don't really like change. So it would be difficult to be good at it, I mean, from the get-go.
Yeah, that is true. Everyone I've met has said, you know, I'm bad at change, or I hate change, or I resist change, or I don't know where to start and I'm overwhelmed. And you know what I tell people is, you are actually much better at change than you've ever imagined. You have what I call a change muscle, which is sort of an affectionate term for this sort of inner resilience and inner power and inner intuition. Most people I've met have gone through dozens of changes. They've just never really thought about it that way or acknowledged that, you know, they've graduated, maybe they've quit smoking, maybe they've lost weight, they've started a job, they've fallen in love, they might have lost a loved one. So we're really actually much better at change, and we need to sort of do what I call a change resume as opposed to a professional resume, and kind of go, look how many changes I've actually been through. And you have a memory of how you got through those changes.
And this it's a multifaceted initiative of yours, because you've also got a website.
I do, actually. The website is first30days.com, and it's a wonderful companion to the book where we have 50 specific life changes. So if someone has an autistic child, if someone's grieving, if someone wants to start a business or maybe get over an addiction, we have very specific information on the website. It's all free. We have experts that we've interviewed. We have 30 days of email tips where we guide people through. We have different books on certain subjects. We have a community going through the same subject as well. So it's a lovely place to go where change is possible. Anyone can change. You're never too old, never too young.
Ariane de Voisin, it's such a pleasure to talk to you about the first 30 days. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.